Hello everyone, welcome back to TechStreams. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube short from one of your existing videos. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app and then tap U in the bottom right corner. And then tap on your videos. And here find the video you want to turn into a short video. And after that, tap the share button next to the video or under the video. And here, scroll down and tap on Remix. Then select edit into a short and also choose the part of the video that you want to use. You can also change the length and crop the video if needed. And when you're done, then tap next or done and make any final edits you want. Then tap next again. And here add your caption and upload your YouTube short. And that's it. That's how you can create a YouTube short from an existing video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechStreams for more helpful YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.